Hello everyone, I am Dr. Gopal Krishna, consultant orthopedic and joint replacement surgeon practicing at Dr. GK's Advanced Bone and Joint Center, Banashankari 2nd Stage, Bangalore. Right from its origin into human lives, COVID has always surprised the medical world, be it in terms of its high infectivity rate or the way it claimed the human lives during the second wave or the latest surge in the cases of black fungus in patients who have suffered from COVID infection. Unfortunately, the game is not ended yet. Of late, we have noticed patients who have suffered from COVID infection and recovered completely are presenting with hip joint pain. On careful evaluation, we have been able to diagnose that they are suffering from avascular necrosis of the bone, which is in a normal terminology called as bone death. Avascular necrosis of the bone is a well-known entity to the medical world, but COVID as a cause for avascular necrosis was not known till date, and it is very shocking. Avascular necrosis means it is a death of the bone due to lack of blood supply to the part of it. This can most commonly affect the hip joint, but it can also occur in knee joint and the other shoulder joint, but virtually it can in many other joints as well. At this point of time, it is not very clear whether COVID infection per se is causing avascular necrosis or it is a complication of medications used in the treatment of COVID infection. Steroid, one of the important and the vital drug which plays a very crucial role in controlling the lung infection and swelling of the lung, is known to cause avascular necrosis of the bone. But this happens when steroid is used in a very long term. At this point of time, it appears that both COVID infection as well as a complication of medications used in the COVID infection can be a causative factor for avascular necrosis of the bone. What is important to be aware is that if any individual who has suffered a COVID infection and after complete recovery complains of a pain in the particular joint which was not there when he contracted the COVID infection, and if this pain is present at rest, getting worsened with activity, it is suggested to consult your joint specialist immediately. Upon consulting the joint specialist, you will undergo thorough clinical examination which will give a clue to the probable diagnosis of avascular necrosis. If that suspicion arises, you will be advised to undergo minimal investigations in the form of X-ray, and sometimes you may be warranted to undergo an MRI in a scanning, which will tell us the extent of the disease which has occurred in the joint. But no invasive procedure is required to confirm the diagnosis. Once the diagnosis is confirmed, initiation of the early treatment is very essential, and the treatment depends upon the stage of the disease and at what point of time patient presents to us. But what is more important is to be aware of this entity and share the information with your near and dear ones, and ask them also to share the awareness to others. And if anybody suffers this kind of pain, it is better to consult the joint surgeon immediately, follow their advices and get the necessary investigation done. At this juncture, early detection and management is the only possible way we have to tackle this situation. If any one of you are suffering with this kind of joint pain, don't hesitate to reach to us when in need.